Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have a very exciting unboxing to share with you. This is a Quota bag that I just picked up from the Hermes boutique in Toronto. And I'm really excited to unbox it, so I'm going to get right into it without too much chatting. It's been a while since I have filmed a video. I've taken a break from YouTube, so bear with me. I'm a little rusty with this. So yeah, I'm gonna get right into the bag unboxing first, and then I will unbox the other little items. So this is the bag, or the box, I mean. Oh, that was the wrong way around. But here is the dust bag. You can probably guess what it is based on the shape. To reveal, and here is my beautiful new Birkin 25. Sorry, I'm trying to get the whole thing in the shot here. Trying to zoom out a little bit. There we go. This is a Birkin 25 in Togo leather with gold hardware, and it is the color gold with the contrast stitching, as you can see. And it is so beautiful. I am so excited. This is like such a perfect combination. And I got, as you can see, a couple of twillies for the handles that my essay put on for me. And I actually I couldn't decide, so I got a couple of other twillies. These ones are more sort of spring summery. The other ones I think would be good for fall winter. But anyway, let's open her up and take the felt off. And I'm going to take the plastic off the hardware too eventually, but not right this second. All right, let's get all the felt off here. Sorry, bear with me here. Let's go back to normal. There we go. Sorry, I'm just a bit distracted by looking at the bag because obviously I saw it in the store, but not for that long, so I'm just kind of admiring it now. Yeah, she's so beautiful. The Togo leather is so nice. And here, let's take out the stuffing, and here is the lock and key, the clochette with the lock. I don't think I'm going to put that on, to be honest. I think I'm just going to leave that in its little bag for now. And I want to share a couple of other accessories that I got with it. So let's, sorry, this unboxing is a bit all over the place, but so I got another little accessory, which you can probably tell what it is based on the box as well. So this is the Pegasus charm, and it's in all gold, which I thought was perfect because it won't compete with the twilly. So just stick that on there for now. There, I just thought that looked so nice, and it'll just go with everything. And I wanted to show you the other twillies that I got. So I got two of these for the handles. So like I said, these are more, I think, fall winter appropriate, but well, I mean, they'd be fine for any time. But so this is the other twilly. I just thought that was very classic and looked really nice with the gold and the contrast stitching. So that is my yeah, my little haul, it is my very first Birkin, so I'm very, very excited. And yeah, I'm really happy to get this combination. I knew I wanted a neutral color, definitely a neutral color, and I wanted gold or rose gold hardware, so definitely everything met my criteria. I wanted the retourne style, I wanted Togo leather, so this was just perfect. I was so excited to be offered this. So anyway, that's it for this unboxing. Sorry it was a bit all over the place, but I wanted to share this with you guys. And yeah, let me know what you think, and thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks again, and have a great day.